Businesses will always be on the lookout for a digital marketing strategy by which they can increase their sales conversion or their lead conversion. In this particular video, I'm going to be diving into one of the most effective one of the methods by which a business can generate sales online or lead, the PPC digital marketing strategy. So if you are new to digital marketing or you are simply looking to get quick results for your business as a business owner, right, the pay-per-click advertising offers one of the fastest ways to attract leads and boost sales also. And here is the best part: with pay-per-click advertising, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. That's right. Unlike other types of advertising, other digital marketing strategies where you pay per view or per impression, the PPC charges you only when a potential customer takes that first step of interest, which is click. So what exactly makes PPC very appealing to businesses of all sizes? First of all, it is cost effective, right? With PPC campaigns, you have the chance to control your budget, and you can also adjust your spending based on the results that you are getting. For example, if you want to spend just $10 per day or maybe $1,000 per day, you have the flexibility to set the cap, right, and decide never to spend above that. Secondly, PPC is fast. Unlike search engine optimization, which can take months to yield results, the PPC ads can start bringing in visitors to you almost immediately. And lastly, PPC ads let you precisely target audiences that you want to reach, right, thereby increasing the chances of turning those clicks into actual customers. So how exactly does PPC work, right? And we'll be looking into the CPC and of course the bidding strategy under the PPC campaign. In a typical PPC campaign, every click has a cost, which is usually known as the cost per click or the CPC. So when you set up your ad, you place a bid, right? That is, you simply initiate the amount you are willing to pay for each click. But there is a catch. You are simply competing with other advertisers for those top spots in the PPC platform. Every PPC platform is an advert auctioning platform. You simply bid for top spots, right? And the guy with the highest pockets eventually wins the game. The higher you bid, and of course, the most relevant your ad becomes, the better chance of appearing on the top of the pages on any PPC platform is. So what exactly should be your goal? What exactly should you be measuring in a typical PPC campaign? You simply want to get the most out of every click and the lowest possible CPC, right? So how exactly do you choose what platform to run your CPC or your PPC campaign on? PPC ads run on different platforms, each platform with its own unique strength and features. Search platforms like Google or Bing allows you to show up when a searcher actively searches for something very specific, like best running shoes online, like best plumbers near me, like best grocery stores near my location. Since the user has an intent, they are more likely going to click and convert. You can also run PPC campaigns on social media platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, like LinkedIn. In these particular PPC platforms, ads appear on a searcher's feed even if they are not actively searching for your products and your services. Social media PPC is really fantastic, right? For raising awareness, obviously, and sparking interest among people who might not know they have a need for what you offer to them. So defining your PPC goal and the KPIs before you launch your campaign is very important, right? You have to define your goals and your key performance indicators. For example, if your goal is to increase your sales, your KPI might be the number of purchases from every click you get from a PPC platform. Or if you want more people to sign up for a newsletter, your KPI might be sign up conversions, right? By defining this target, You can measure your ad success more effectively. So one other very important aspect of PPC campaign is the ad copy and the landing page, or usually what I call the sales page or the website. These two areas of PPC campaign is very important because at the end of the day, these are the stuffs people will see. A guy most likely will decide to do business with you or to click on your campaign when they see your ad copy, or if your ad copy resonates well with them. So I have a formula usually for my PPC campaign, the PASS formula. The PASS formula usually talks about the problem a searcher or a potential customer may have. And of course, apart from the problem, you want to agitate the problem also, making the problem look like a real problem. And last but not least, you want to give them solution. So if you decide to adopt PPC, right, in writing your ad copy, you must talk extensively about the problem, agitate the problem, make the problem look like a real problem, and give solution to the viewer also. And your landing page also must flow in line with what exactly you are promoting, and it must be compelling, right? It must be compelling. It must have every sense of urgency and a call to action as well. I hope with this little information, you have a good understanding of what PPC is, what particular goal to measure, and the KPIs by which you can gauge your goals, right?